JTAI stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm gonna answer everything around that in this 1 minute video, so watch till the end. And as being the only person in this space with 41,000 videos made like this over 5 years that it's taken me, I've seen what's working, what's not, and more so it's on a track record of my YouTube channel. Specifically JTAI, or I was actually quite hyped back then, you know, and this was such a great delivery because it started pumping up when I had this bullish idea that turned out to kind of come back at break even. And since then I kind of abandoned the ticker, you know, never holla at it again. And now holla at as I'm looking at it, it's just so boring and consolidating, man. Like, yes, it's up 11%, but ideally I want to see a full candle close, you know, above here. And that's maybe then when I start to take it further up. But currently I'm just waiting, you know, waiting for more candles to appear because I don't like where we're sitting at currently. And that's fine, that's okay. Not anything's supposed to be traded. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights.